Ben & Jerry's is celebrated for its unique, creative flavors, iconic pint-sized packages, and unwavering commitment to social justice and activism. But how did this world-famous brand come to be? In 1978, Ben Cohen and Jerry Greenfield decided to take a leap into the food business. After considering bagels, they instead chose ice cream, learning the craft through a $5 correspondence course from Penn State. Their initial investment was just $12,000, including $4,000 borrowed. With that, they opened their first ice cream shop in a rundown gas station in Burlington, Vermont. Little did they know, this humble beginning would pave the way for a global brand. The original gas station shop, opened on May 5, 1978, served more than just ice cream. It offered crepes, soups, and even pottery at one point. Although the building is long gone, the spot remains a cherished part of Ben & Jerry's history, commemorated by a plaque. Ben & Jerry's celebrate the shop's one-year anniversary and the customers who made it possible by holding the first ever free cone day, free scoops for all day long. The annual ice cream giveaway continues today in scoop shops around the world. Despite innovative flavors and quality ingredients, Ben & Jerry's faced financial difficulties, including issues with over-scooping and operational inefficiencies. In February 1980, they started packing up pints to sell at local grocery stores, which eventually led to rapid sales growth. After Time magazine called Ben & Jerry's the best ice cream in America in 1981, their first franchise popped up in Shelburne, Vermont, setting the company up for a decade of success.
Hi, I'm Ben. I'm Jerry. You know, we may not have the money to go on TV for 30 seconds, but we sure do make some of the best ice cream you ever tasted. Look for us on top of every pint.
Over the last 46 years, Ben & Jerry's has grown from a single scoop shop to over 500 franchise locations worldwide. In 2023 alone, the brand hit an impressive $951 million in sales, solidifying its position as the leading ice cream brand in the United States. The very first flavor Ben & Jerry's ever made was simple, rich, and unforgettable: vanilla. But what set the brand apart was its groundbreaking approach to ice cream. Unique flavor combinations and, of course, those signature chunks. Then came the innovation of cores, rich, indulgent centers of caramel, fudge, or cookie butter that make every spoonful a journey to the middle. And let's not forget the topped pints, where a thick layer of chocolate or ganache caps off the ice cream like frosting on a cake. Behind every pint is a flavor guru, experts who spend over a year perfecting each creation. They draw inspiration from menus, social media, and even fan suggestions, transforming wild ideas into irresistible ice cream. Supporting every scoop are fair trade suppliers, cage-free eggs, and milk sourced from local Vermont cows. All plant-based ingredients align with Ben & Jerry's commitment to non-GMO standards, ensuring every bite reflects their values. At Cooperative Creamery, milk is transformed into heavy cream and condensed skim milk. These ingredients are then sent in chilled tanker trucks to Ben & Jerry's factories in St. Albans and Waterbury, Vermont. Once at the factory, the milk and cream are stored in giant silos kept at a cool 36 degrees. The first critical step is mixing the smooth base. Heavy cream, condensed skim milk, liquid cane sugar, and egg yolks are carefully blended in a massive 1,000-gallon stainless steel tank for 6 to 8 minutes. The mix also includes cocoa powder for chocolate flavors. The mix is heated to 180 degrees using the pasteurizer, where hot water transfers heat to the cold mix. This process eliminates harmful bacteria. Next, the mix is pushed through the homogenizer at high pressure, breaking down fat particles for a smooth, uniform consistency. It's then transferred to the tank room, where it rests for 4 to 8 hours at 36 degrees to allow the flavors to meld together, creating the perfect base. Now it's time to bring the flavors to life. The mixture flows into flavor vats, where extracts, purees like vanilla, fresh fruit sauces, etc. are expertly blended in. This is the moment the ice cream transforms from simple and unflavored to irresistibly euphoric. Then it is pumped into the freezer, where liquid ammonia is used as a freezing agent, allowing the process to freeze over 700 gallons of mix per hour. When the ice cream emerges, it reaches a temperature of 22 degrees, the same as soft-serve ice cream, or a creamy as it's known in Vermont. To make the ice cream even more irresistible, chunks are introduced into the frozen stream as it flows through the feeder. These include everything from gooey chocolate chip cookie dough and fudgy brownies to crunchy cookies, candies, and nuts. The brownies, in particular, come from Greystone Bakery, celebrated for its soft, decadent creations. These brownies are a standout ingredient in fan-favorite flavors like chocolate chip cookie dough, chocolate fudge brownie, and half-baked. Meanwhile, rich and velvety swirls like caramel or fudge are added with precision using the variegator. Before this step, the swirls are cooled in the Contherm to ensure they don't pool. Once at the perfect temperature, the variegator expertly injects these indulgent ribbons into the ice cream, creating the perfect blend in every scoop. Once perfected, the ice cream flows to the automatic filler, which fills and caps 120 pints a minute. From there, the pints head to the spiral hardener. Inside the spiral hardener, pints journey upward on a slowly spiraling conveyor for 3 hours. By the time they reach the top, their temperature has plummeted from a semi-frozen 22 degrees above zero to a fully solidified state of at least 10 degrees below zero. The final step is bundling the ice cream. An inverter flips every other pint upside down, and a robot assembles 8 pints into position for the bundler. This heat tunnel shrink wraps plastic around the group of 8, creating a sleeve. These sleeves are then stacked on shipping pallets by freezer workers and stored in a warehouse kept at 20 degrees below zero. In the Quality Assurance Lab, QA specialists rigorously test texture, flavor, and appearance to ensure each one upholds Ben & Jerry's high standards. Only perfection earns the green light for shipment worldwide. Ben & Jerry's ice cream is shipped from Vermont to 43 countries, from local supermarkets to movie theaters and restaurants, ensuring fans everywhere can enjoy their favorite flavors. The cow you see on Ben & Jerry's packages is named Woody, after Woody Jackson, the artist who designed her in 1983. From wild ideas to fan-favorite classics, every flavor tells a story, and every scoop is the result of passion, creativity, and just a little bit of magic. Next time you dig into your favorite pint, you'll know just how much love and creativity went into it. Let us know in the comments. What's your all-time favorite Ben & Jerry's flavor? And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more tasty stories.